Some people selling cars on Copart, they pull a little fast on some more inexperienced people like me when trying to buy a car sight unseen on Copart, or even if we go and see the car, it's smart to do this. Check out this video. So I was trying to buy this car here on Copart. Actually, I wasn't trying to buy. I was just looking at it, and it just got my attention because it didn't have a door. It didn't have a apparent damage, and you know, no door, no fenders. Just buy a new door, new fender, you're good to go, right? And all these parts on the floor, they look good to me. No damaging here. Looks straight. And you know, you can see the other pictures and everything. Car was perfect. And so I was looking at it. It was like start bidding, it was 3 grand, and the car is worth like 30. And I watched this video a while ago. I'm gonna put the link down here if I find it. So what I did was I copied this link here, and of course it doesn't have the 6 last numbers because they avoid scans, people scanning their website, getting the VIN numbers and getting all this information and putting some other website. And so you copy that, come in here on this picture, you have the last 6 numbers here, or copy the whole thing from here, write the number, and you go search it again. So if you Google it, this is the VIN number, you Google, you can see like in other websites, and I found exactly the same on Copart, but it was April 1st last year, which is 2018. I don't know when you're going to watch this video, but now it's 2019. So I opened that page, and boom, that's exactly the same car. And again, no damage. Look at this. Right? But look at the difference. The damage last year was water and flood. And you can see, look at the gauge. This is the gauge of the car. It was white because probably it was all foggy and stuff. So probably someone got this car, cleaned it up, did whatever, and now they're selling it here as a front end and side damage. And you can see here, I mean, to me it's clear that they just took this stuff apart. I don't know what happened to the door. There's no other damage than that besides that, and this is not enough to total a car again. So why not sell this to someone for like 10-12 grand? I don't know. It is just too, I'm not gonna say shady because I'm not sure what happened. If you don't get, you can get the report and see what happens, but you know, it's too foggy. Information doesn't match. I'm not sure what happened between 2016, 2018, and now. Why this car is back in here and not in the market like any other salvage car. Or maybe this is a good market. But anyway, it's good for you. Check out the VIN number. See what happened. This guy was on his video. You can watch his video. If I can find it, it will be down here in the link. But he was actually showing your car the same way I did here, but his car was a little bit different. They had a car that did not have engine or transmission, and it was a car that you would buy for the engine and transmission, just for those things. And it was on bidding, right? So people could bid on that car, but you couldn't open the hood. It didn't have a picture of the hood because he didn't want people to know that the engine wasn't there. So someone bought it, took the engine and transmission apart, sent back to Copart and say auction again, but don't open the hood. And they do that. So if you don't know that kind of information, like I didn't, I would never check this VIN number and know that this car has been there a couple of times. So to avoid buying a car that gets here in my house that stinks like sewage, and I'm never gonna be able to take that smell out of the car. So you have a nice car, but you can't drive because it smells like shit. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It helped me. I hope it helps you. And subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's.